Hi, I'm Ryosuke Shibato, founder of Academist. I'm very glad to have a chance to introduce our service today. What comes to mind when you hear the Nobel Prize winner? Dr. Honjo was Nobel Prize winner in last year. He discovered the protein PD-1, which sustains immunity and led to the development of the optimal. 3 years ago, Dr. Osumi won the Nobel Prize by elucidating the mechanism of autophagy, where starved cells eat their own protein and nourish them. This discovery is utilized in the invention of the new cancer medicine. It seems very useful for their research. One of the reasons why they got the Nobel Prize is that Japanese government has supported financially their research for a long time. But we think that it's very difficult to support long time because we don't have, Japanese government don't have enough money. So can Japanese researchers continue to take the Nobel Prize in future? The answer is very difficult. Actually, many researchers criticize the national science and technology policy of the government. Actually, Dr. Honjo and Dr. Osumi also said it's very difficult to sustain the system of basic research. In fact, research fund is very reduced by the government, and employment is unstable. So it is very difficult to support basic research. However, investment in government research is very different because now Japanese economy was a very low growth society now. So we need to make another method to support researchers and circulate research fund even from the business point of view. So we launched the crowdfunding platform Academist. In Academist, researchers can raise research funds from the public via the internet. If researcher achieves the total amount initially set, the project is successful and they can use this money for research. So far, more than 100 projects is launched and they collect the money over the 100 million yen from the 13,000 supporters. So let's search Google Academist and watch it. Okay, this is our website, Academist. And on the top page, various research topics are posted. For example, geology and computer science, philosophy, music and arts. So click on the project you are interested in. On the project page, you can check the research overview. Researchers explain why they focus on this topic, how they solve the task by using short movie, text, and images. So if you feel this project seems interesting, press support button. The point is that you can receive various kinds of rewards depending on support amount. For example, if you support 1,000 yen, you can get a research progress report. In the case of 5,000 yen, you can get the right to post your name on the researcher website. It is very easy to support this project, so press the support button and choose the return. And after that, enter the address and credit card number, and finished, like this display. So after that, expand the suite to the public. So this is the main system of the Academist. Okay, so Let us introduce the sample project, a Santa Claus project. They wanted to get funding because their research idea was rejected by the government and university because there was few precedent of the research. So they decided to try crowdfunding and reach the total amount. And after that, they made a prototype. And they again got the research funding from the government. And last year, their research was published in Nature, which is the most famous statistics magazine in academia. In addition, their paper was nominated in the Physics World's Top 10 Breakthroughs. The interesting point is that the supporter can get the reward of posting their name in the published paper. In fact, their name was posted in the acknowledgement of this paper like this. So, hundreds of years ago, there was small people who support research. For example, nobility. So, small amount of person provide large amount of money to the researchers. But by using academists, a large amount of people support researchers directly. So this means people directly support and accelerate the academic research. So maybe perhaps you say that is basic research useful for life? Santa Claus makes us rich. No one knows the answer. But the research of Dr. Osumi and Dr. Honjo were thought to be useless. But now it must be useful. We need to make a long-term investment in basic research. So we cooperate with a company and make a new system to support research. Finally, Einstein's relativity theory also seems useless. But this is very useful because we everyday use GPS like this. So we need to support research for a long time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ryosuke.